got there was Dad.
Dad, all that is.
What on earth are you saying? Speak normally. I can't understand what kind of made-up language that is.
Wala mo ang caps right in the why. Raindrop us.
Okay, classic Caillou, I've had enough of this.
Di ba na?
Tsaka dapat sa yung dalawang tao lang para tao lang.
Classic Caillou, I told you I've had enough of this. Man, stop talking like
What? Struck and your caps on me. Naktina na talk.
Stop talking like you're from Mars or Jupiter.
I'm Martina Cell. On.
Nagkaganon pa rin.
Wala na, kasi
Alam mo yung bumas ng oven sa oven? Alam mo yung lakas mo sa oven nun?
Classic Caillou, stop it now.
Oven yan eh. Oven pa naman yun. Ayun dito? Oven.
Classic Caillou, were you speaking to me backwards this whole time?
I sure did.
Classic Caillou, that's not funny. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for 1 billion years. Go to your room right now.
What? I found it very funny.